Namaste guys, Ashish here, and in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks around Samsung Galaxy On 7. Samsung Galaxy On 7 is very poor when it comes to daylight readability. So if you're walking around on the street or if you are in a very broad daylight, reading text becomes impossible on the device. So for this, Samsung has introduced a feature called as Outdoors, which boosts up your display for 15 minutes. That you can see in the notification center, right where you can adjust your brightness. So now if I go and hit the Outdoors, it increases the brightness level for next 15 minutes till I stop using it or if the 15-minute timeout happens. Find My Mobile feature in Samsung Galaxy On 7 and any other Samsung device is done very decently compared to Find My Mobile feature on any other OS including Windows Phone and iPhone. The reason is this allows you to do not only remote execution, but you can also retrieve your call details, so in case that comes handy. And you can also enable the ultra power saving mode on your phone, which makes sure that battery stays a little bit longer, so if there is a chance to find your mobile, you can still get it done. Network power saving mode is another feature which allows you to save battery, and what it does is basically it only uses your internet only when your screen is turned on. As soon as you turn off your screen or if it's locked, it'll stop all background activity, everything instantly if you want, or you can set it basically that after 30 minutes turn off all your notifications. So for example, if you are traveling and you know that you're not going to get any of these emails as at least for next 1 hour, this is what you can do. So after 1 hour it will automatically turn everything off. Till that you still get your mail. Ultra data saving mode is another powerful feature on Samsung Galaxy On 7, which allows you to save a lot of bandwidth, especially if you are browsing using Chrome or any other browser. It uses VPN of Opera Max to save to do basically a lot of compression and maybe a little bit of awkward internet experience because the images will be of low quality, but overall it definitely saves data. Even when using apps like Twitter and WhatsApp, a lot of data will be saved when using this. So while it is available right on the notification center, I will give you a little bit of detail about it. So I'm going to do a long press and you can see here that you do have a bit of comparison here on how much data you have saved and how much you haven't saved when using these apps here. The data compression is on for me here, and if I give you details of this, then you can see when using Twitter I have saved a bit of data, and when using Feedly I've used this much of data and saved this much of data. So that's basically how it works. Now it works mostly for browser, that's where its main expertise lies, but overall it works smoothly. Now if you are working in a very different environment where it is very noisy or where it's very quiet and you want your phone to adapt, basically depending on that you can actually train your phone to do that. So there's a feature called Adapt Sound here. Now this feature, what it does, it allows you to put on your headphone or earphone, and then it analyzes your background noise and then sets your volume for speaker, phone calls and everything else. It is one feature worth trying it, but it may not work as expected though. Coming to the last tip, it's about camera. So you can set to do a double tap or double press your home key to launch camera, which comes in very handy when you don't want to actually go and launch camera app because there is no camera dedicated button here. So you can use your home key, double tap, double press, and it works. And there's another thing called as zooming function. So basically you can use your volume key to zoom in and zoom out. So very handy if you don't want to use your hands to do the gesture and then zoom in. So you can use that, or you can do it instantly to record video or take a picture as well. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you did like the video, do hit the like button below, do share it with your friends, and if any of your friend has a Samsung Galaxy On 7 and if you do have it too, probably you can go and impress your friends out there.